Aubrey, do you want to put that on the tree? Go put that on the tree.
Dora, open it. Open it.
She actually opened it. Wow.
Val didn't believe us.
Good girl, Dora.
What is it? What is it, Dora? It's a ball. Look at the ball.
Oh, look, Dora, what is it? What is it?
You want help with this part?
I am impressed by Dora.
Oh, it squeaks too.
Make it squeak, Dora. Oh, Lydia's gonna touch it.
Lydia, give that to Dora. It's Dora's.
Get all yucky.
Lydia, give it to Dora.
Get your hand on it.
Give it to Dora. Go give it to Dora.
Aubrey, what did Dora get?
This is for Dora.
Ball.
Squeak.
She got it from Auntie Kim. Oh, do you want to open your present from Auntie Kim?
Yeah.
That's for you from Auntie Kim and Linnea and Uncle Charlie. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Lydia's getting the papers.
What is it? Is that a sticker? What does it say?
Okay, to Aubrey.
Does it have an A for Aubrey on it?
What did you get?
What is it, Aubrey? What is it? Is that pretty? Dora, you're making me dizzy. Aubrey, what did you get from Linnea? What is it? Can you say thank you, Nea?
Thank you, Linnea.
We've got one more.
Look at our Christmas tree, Linnea. Look at our Christmas tree.
We've got one more.
It's very tall. Aubrey, what did you get?
Pizza.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Foggy.
Say thank you.
Fog. Apple.
Thank you, Auntie Kim and Uncle Charlie.
Yeah.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle bells, away, all funny, into way, look with to jingle bells away, all funny, into way, with to